Hey y'all, it's Saturday here in the South, and as you can hear, it's raining outside, so I decided to come out on the front porch and do a little fall fix up with my my container here. I'm going to do this I'm going to call it a bargain glow up, because I'm going to remove, this is the Suncredible Yellow Sunflower from Proven Winners, and I could cut it back and it would probably do fine still, but it's just not looking great. And I'm wanting things to look its best, because if you'll wait later on this week, I'll have a video on my YouTube channel that'll be talking about how I've also updated my annual area of my front porch. So I wanted to bring y'all along for this. Alright, so like I said, this is going to be kind of a bargain container, because I'm going to leave the coleus that we've put in, I think back in like March maybe. It was definitely early spring. I've given it a little bit of a cutback because it was also looking a little rough, but it's filling back in nicely. I cut it back last week. I'll show y'all that when we get done of how it looks. So we're just going to begin by pulling out the Suncredible. That came out pretty good. It was definitely rooted in nicely. I'm just going to stick it there. Alright, so what we have is this is El Dorado Coleus from Proven Winners, and this is the new Mini-Me Chartreuse. Y'all, I love this Coleus, and it has done so well. This El Dorado has had a hard time holding up its color, and has kind of, I don't know, been a little bit more floppy, but this Mini-Me Chartreuse has stayed nice and compact, and was equally as tall as the El Dorado in this container. So I definitely recommend those. So I'm going to add a little bit of biotone, since we're adding these new plants in here. And I tell y'all, so the other reason why I'm calling this budget is because I'm picking perennials to put in here. So if I've never put these types of perennials in a container before, but what I'm hoping to do is that they'll make it through our fall season, and then we'll transplant them out into the landscape. And if you know me, you know I don't typically do warm colors, but our front yard does have some warm colors in it. And I'm hoping to add to that grouping. I planted some Rebecca over on the far side of the house, and I'm going to add these to it. So that's how I kind of picked these flowers. This one right here is a blanket flower. I got these from Lowe's. The other one is this one, which is the Artisan Collection Red Ombre Coneflower, and I picked this one because it's got some oranges, which kind of goes with the blanket flower, but it's got some pink and red tones that also are going to go with our annual that I put out in the front, that I'll show you, like I said, in the YouTube video later this week. So go over to my channel, Fixin the Garden, and check that out. Alright, so we got them in there now, and I'm going to add a little bit of this is Black Gold potting mix. It's got a little fertilizer in it, just to make sure that we can get good and around the plant is in the pot, and making sure there's soil in between the roots and they're not touching each other. Alright, so it's fall, y'all, and at our house we say go dogs. But we also want to freshen up our porch. Even though these aren't the red and black flowers that support our team, they are beautiful, and they say Pumpkin Spice Latte to me. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to water your container when you're done, and it should last the whole rest of our season. And then we'll plant it out. So that's what makes it our bargain container, is that we've got leftover from the spring annuals, and then we've put in some nice perennials. Hey, don't forget to head out to your garden centers this weekend too. There's some great deals on perennials. Put them in the ground now, let them get established, and then they'll show their beautiful flowers next year. I hope y'all have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.